What began as an artificial reef has transformed into a breathtaking underwater sanctuary, a living testament that when humans work in harmony with nature, beauty and life flourish. What was once a man-made structure is now a thriving ecosystem, teeming with colorful corals, vibrant fish, and diverse marine life that mirrors the wonders of natural coral reefs. Nestled within the Naval Marine Sanctuary in Barangay Naval, Hilongos, Leyte, this site stands as a symbol of renewal and environmental stewardship. Through the community's dedication and nature's resilience, the reef has evolved into a haven for both marine species and curious divers seeking to witness the magic beneath the waves. Today, this once artificial reef is more than a conservation success story. It's an invitation to explore, protect, and be inspired. Every ripple tells a story of transformation, reminding visitors that even the smallest efforts towards sustainability can grow into masterpieces of life and beauty.